In this video, we will guide you through the process of how to disassemble your already installed GRS Super Joystick shaft. Firstly, hold one side of the joystick in one hand, then flip the control panel over. Next, we'll remove the signal wire of the rotary shaft from the joystick's main body. Please be careful during the removal process. Applying too much force can easily damage the wires. Now, grip the joystick shaft with your left hand. With your right hand, press down on the joystick actuator and rotate it 90 degrees. We are able to remove the joystick shaft. During the process of removing the joystick shaft, make sure that the wire ends are not caught by the actuator, as this could lead to poor contact of the wires. We have now successfully removed the joystick shaft.